So you've picked out the perfect phone model, but now there's another big decision ahead. What color do you want to go for? While classic black is always a popular choice, smartphone brands have really started to step up their game in the color department, offering a wide range of eye-catching hues to give your device a little extra personality. Samsung, for example, is known for releasing its Galaxy S phones in a variety of shades, some of which are exclusive to its online store. And guess what? The upcoming Galaxy S25 series will be no exception. From what we know so far, Samsung is continuing its tradition of offering a range of colors for its Galaxy S25 lineup. In fact, the regular Galaxy S25 and the S25 Plus models tend to have pretty similar color options, despite the differences in size and features these two have developed over the years. Now, thanks to some reliable leakers, we're starting to get an idea of what colors will be available for the non-Ultra version of the Galaxy S25. The famous Evan Blass, who's known for getting these things right, recently teased a list of colors in a post on X, although it has since been deleted. Here's the scoop: blue, black, coral red, icy blue, mint green, navy, pink gold, and silver shadow. So, whether you're into bold, vibrant colors or prefer something more understated, it looks like the Galaxy S25 will have a shade for everyone. Now the tough part, deciding which one suits you best. Meanwhile, but don't worry, Samsung is still adding some spice to the S25 Ultra with fresh color options. We're still going to see classic colors like black and white, but here's where it gets interesting. The S25 Ultra is reportedly going to come in a unique titanium white silver. This color combo will feature a white front and back, with a sleek silver frame in the middle. Definitely a clean, classy vibe. Now, considering the Galaxy S24 Ultra already comes in colors like titanium yellow, titanium violet, and a few exclusive shades like titanium orange, this new titanium white silver will definitely stand out from the crowd. If you love minimalist, elegant colors, this is the one for you. So, what do you think of these fresh color options coming to the Galaxy S25? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your take. Alright, folks, let's dive into the full specs, design details, and expected pricing of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 series to help you figure out which one might be your next smartphone. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any updates. We've got a lot to cover. First up, the standard Galaxy S25. The Galaxy S25 is set to rock a 6.36-inch dynamic AMOLED display. This screen isn't just pretty to look at, it promises improvements in brightness and color accuracy that will really make your content pop. You'll get a 120Hz refresh rate along with HDR10 Plus support and a sharp resolution of 1080 by 2340. Plus, it's all protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 3. So, durability is key. For selfies, you've got a 12-megapixel punch-hole camera up front, while the rear features a triple camera setup, including wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto lenses. The exact sensors are still under wraps, but we can expect some solid photography capabilities. Under the hood, the S25 will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 in the US, while global models will have the Exynos 2500 or MediaTek chipsets. You can choose between 8, 12 gigs of RAM and storage options, ranging from 128 gigs up to 1 terabyte, all using speedy UFS4 technology. This beauty is equipped with a 4100 mAh battery that supports 45-watt fast charging. And yes, it'll come with all the modern connectivity options you need: 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7, and ultra-wideband support. It's launching with One UI 7 based on Android 15 and is expected to hit shelves starting at around $800 in January 2025. Next up, the Galaxy S25 Plus. Moving on to the Galaxy S25 Plus, this model features a larger 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display with the same fantastic brightness and color improvements. You'll also enjoy a 120Hz refresh rate with HDR10 Plus and a resolution of 1440 by 3120, all wrapped up in Gorilla Glass Victus 3 for extra protection. Selfie lovers will still get that 12-megapixel punch-hole camera, and the rear camera setup mirrors the S25 with wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto lenses, though we're still waiting on specifics for the sensors. This one's also powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 in the US and Exynos 2500 or MediaTek chipsets globally. You'll get 12 gigs of RAM with storage options of 256 or 512 gigs, again using UFS 4 technology. The battery gets a boost to 4,900 mAh battery that supports 45-watt fast charging, and all the connectivity goodies like 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7, and ultra-wideband support. It's launching with One UI 7 on Android 15 and is expected to start around $1,100 in January 2025. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This powerhouse will feature a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED display with the same stellar improvements in brightness and color accuracy. It also boasts a 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 Plus, and a stunning resolution of 1440 by 3120, all shielded by Gorilla Glass Armor 2. For selfies, we're expecting a 12-megapixel camera, with some exciting rumors hinting at it possibly being the first S-series phone to have an under-panel camera. On the rear, you'll get a quad camera setup that includes wide, ultra-wide, telephoto, and a periscope lens. Again, specific sensors are yet to be revealed, but we might get a new 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens. This flagship will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 across all regions, and will come with 12 gigs of RAM, and this time you might also get to see a new 16 gigs variant and storage options of up to a whopping 1 terabyte, all utilizing UFS 4 technology. The battery here is a robust 5,000 mAh battery that supports 45-watt fast charging. As with its siblings, it will support 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7, and ultra-wideband, and it's set to launch with One UI 7 based on Android 15. The starting price? Expect around $1,300 in January 2025. Overall, the Galaxy S25 series looks promising, with some familiar elements from its predecessor, but also exciting enhancements, especially with the Ultra model. The exclusive Snapdragon release means we should see some solid performance improvements across the board. The new design of the S25 Ultra is a refreshing change, especially since previous models had a similar look for a while. Plus, there's a lot of focus on AI, with the collaboration between Samsung and Google, which means we can expect some cool new features at launch. While those of you rocking an S24 might not feel the urge to rush out and upgrade, anyone with an older S model or those considering their first Samsung phone will find these devices very appealing. The launch is still a bit away, but we can expect plenty more leaks as January approaches, and I'll be here to share them as soon as they pop up. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a thing in the future.